Everybody fucking jump!
Alright, everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this show on the way. Let me get you a little bit of box action. Now, this box, you should know what these are. I caught these on the fake restock. I'm starting to see a lot of these may be customer returns. Let me get to the label action. It's got a whole bunch of these in. I got to start calling people and getting them out. The box reads the Air Jordan 5 Retro Black, Cool Gray, and White, aka the Moonlight, or the Oreos. You take your pick. Nobody calls them the same thing. Not a bad shoe. Looks like it gets rubbing. Shoe looks weird. But I knew that these were most likely going to be returns. I don't know who returned to Moonlight, so I guess I would just sell them. But it's an okay shoe in my opinion. I'm get ready to get these out. All nubuck, white mesh, white and black speckled shark teeth. This what really messed up the shoe for most people. Jumpman on the back instead of that beautiful Nike Air that you guys love so much. Black and white bottom. Not a bad shoe. Normal Jordan discrepancies. They're pretty much all good shoe. You see the off-white Jumpman logo. Not brand, this color, guys. Looks like it's no 3M hit so far. I guess the Jumpman might be a little bit 3M, but not too much in my opinion. Not a bad Jordan in my opinion. Not really into the fives myself, but I'm going to keep one pair of these for myself for staring. Got this pair for another person, and everybody else, if you ordered Moonlight from me, you should be getting them today if you want them. By the time this video you watch this video, you guys should already have them. We know that you guys hit on the restock on Nike.com on the sneakers app. There's a Jordan Reserve. If you go for them on Jordan Reserve, I got lucky and got every pair from the Jordan Reserve again, even though I already had all these shoes already myself. All right, guys, let me give you a good look at what the shoe's going to look like when the shoe's on your foot. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Let me know what shoes you want to see on the channel next. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!